Check out this YouTube channel. This channel basically posts AI generated music shorts just like these.
Letters on the sky, burning in your eyes.
So these are basically just AI characters singing songs, which is also created with the help of AI. And check out the views it's getting: 47 million views, 11 million views. Like, these type of analytics are literally insane. And if you go to the description of this channel, so you guys can see this channel was created just few months ago, and it has already gained 159K subscribers with so many views, right? So yeah, today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create AI generated music video shorts just like these without, using so many AI tools. I'll be generating everything with the help of just one single AI tool. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, I had to ChatGPT and I basically typed the whole story to ChatGPT, like what I'm looking for. So if you want to go ahead and take a screenshot of this prompt, you can do that, or I can provide you down in the description. You can check out the prompt and copy paste video so that you can generate your own, music AI video short very easily with the help of just this one prompt, you guys. Like, this is how crazy this is. So basically, for creating a lip sync AI music short video, what do you require? You require images, you require some music, and then you have to basically create a lip sync video out of that image and that music, right? So yeah, that's exactly I told ChatGPT to do for me. And then you can see I have now text to image prompts. So I have, first of all, prompt one of beautiful girl on stage, handsome guy standing with guitar, and then girl in urban concert. So these three prompts I'm gonna take example in this video. And next, part two, I have text to music prompt plus matching short lyrics. So if you want to go ahead and create music with the help of text to music prompt, you can do that, or you can create your own, customized lyrics as well with the help of ChatGPT. So you guys can see with the help of just this one prompt, I was able to create text to image prompts as well as text to music prompt as well. So yeah, now I have my image prompt and music prompt. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create image and music with just one single AI tool. So yeah, that's crazy. And that tool is FlexClip. And you guys know FlexClip is my go-to tool, one of my top most favorite AI tool, which contain literally everything. If you go to this AI section, so you can see we have so many features of video, image, audio. You can do so many stuff, like, no matter what do you want, you can do that here as well. And not only that, you can basically edit your videos inside of that as well, like, CapCut. So you can basically use this as an online video editor. So that is really, really amazing. All right, so first of all, we're going to create some images with the help of text to image prompts. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this first prompt of ChatGPT. Go to FlexClip, and I'm going to go ahead and go to AI tools, go to image section, and go to text to image section. Okay, and then I'm going to paste my prompts right over here. Style, I'm going to choose as none. Model, make sure you choose ultra. Ratio is going to be 9:16, and let's just generate this. And just like that, you guys can see initially we got these results, and in that there is one tiny bit of mistake. You guys can see we don't have the faces of our character very much visible, right? Because obviously we want to do lip sync. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT once again, and I'm going to say, like, so far text image generation, make sure the prompts you provide, the face of the girl is visible who is singing. Like, the face, lips should be visible, because I'm going to go ahead and do a lip sync later with the image and the audio. So now ChatGPT is going to provide me with some new prompts, and now let's just go ahead and try this and see whether our face and lips and all the features are visible for lip sync. Let's just generate this once again. And yeah, now you guys can see that looks really, really good. I have created a few of the generations with me. This is the guy, and then this is the girl. So I'm going to go ahead and use my most favorite images from here. And let's just go ahead and now go to the next step. All right, so our next step is we need to go ahead and create some music. So for that, we're going to go ahead and copy this text to music prompt, and again come to FlexClip. Go to the home page. I'm going to go to the audio section, and let's just go to AI music generator. FlexClip basically provides you to create music as well. I'm going to simply paste my prompt right over here. That simple it is. And I'm going to choose my music duration as 30 seconds, because this is the sample I'm going to show you guys. You can basically create music up to 240 seconds, like 4 minutes of whole song you can create with FlexClip. So yeah, that is so amazing. And you can create your self-written lyrics as well. Like, you can type your own customized lyrics. So let's just say if you want to go ahead and create song with your customizable lyrics, so you can do that as well in FlexClip. I'm not going to go ahead and use this option for now. And let's generate this. And for the first one, here is the song FlexClip generated. Like, hear this out.
In the silence of my room, I trace your name. Every shadow feels so heavy.
So yeah, that sounds really, really good. And type of a song that you want to go ahead and create with any AI music generator, right? So yeah, that is totally awesome. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and download this audio from here. All right, so now comes our next step. We need to go ahead and lip sync our audio and image to create an AI music video. So for that, only you have to use other AI tools. So yeah, I know you guys probably clicked because you want to create, everything with just one tool. But trust me, guys, this is just one short step. You need to go ahead and create some lip sync video out of your images and music, right? And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and go to nim.video. I'm gonna go to this tool section right over here. Make sure you select lip sync over here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and simply drag my image right over here and model. Make sure you select as latent sync plus cling. And then for the speech, to go ahead and hit sound because I'm gonna importing my audio over here. I'm gonna simply go ahead and import my audio over here and simply click on generate. And just to show you guys, Nim AI is totally free AI tool. You guys can see I have subscribed with the free plan where I get around 2,000 credits. So that would be quite enough to generate so many, AI music videos out of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and click generate. And just like that, within a few seconds, it's gonna generate me this video.
Silence of my room, I trace your name. Every shadow feels heavy.
So yeah, that seems really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and simply download this video from this download button right over here. Save it. And then for the next step, we need to go ahead and do a little bit of editing. Just do some final edits just to make our clip more and more better. So for that, I'm gonna go to FlexClip once again. Go to its online video editor. I'm gonna click on create a video. Make sure you select the aspect ratio is 9:16 because that's what our format of the videos are. And I'm gonna go ahead and import my clip right over here. All right, drag it to the timeline simply. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on subtitles and click on AI auto subtitles. Okay. And you can also select your subtitle styles and everything. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one and simply click on generate. And you guys can see we are also seeing this logo, Nim logo. So you can easily go ahead and crop this out. You can zoom this image a bit so that the logo goes away. Now this looks great. And now our subtitles have been added. You guys can see right over here. And after everything is done, I'm going to simply go ahead and export my video. And let me show you guys the final sample output I created, with Nim AI and everything. So yeah, here is the final result.
In the silence of my room, I trace your name. Every shadow feels so heavy. Still the same. Memories dim like ghosts in the night. I reach for the stars, but you're outside.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is how easily you can go ahead and create your AI music video short very easily with the help of just one AI tool. You can create images in that. You can create your music even in that. And just for the lip sync, you will be needing another AI tool that is Nim, and that is totally free. So yeah, this is how easy the steps are. So yeah, I really hope you like this video, guys. And if you do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more of videos just like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.